Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Mazda CX-90 3.3 Turbo S. This vehicle has a 3.3 liter turbocharged inline 6 with 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. It also has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Those are some great power numbers. I'm very impressed with that, with those numbers. 340 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque is no joke. That's a really good number for a family SUV. And the inline 6 is really cool too. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this vehicle, and you have your center screen over there. It looks like it's not a touchscreen. You just have to use this controller down here. You have sport, normal, and off-road. You have a digital gauge cluster in this S model. The lower trims will have a analog cluster with the screen in the center. Pretty cool looking gauge cluster. Interesting shifter. Reverse camera, no 360. Nice storage. I like this trim pieces in the interior. You have a panoramic sunroof, leather dash. Interesting looking leather. Let's walk around the car. I think Mazda did a fantastic job with the CX-90. I like how it says inline 6 on the side. That is cool. You have a head-up display in this vehicle. Looks pretty good. The new Mazda CX-90, which is like a smaller SUV, also looks quite similar to this. And here are the rear seats. You have AC controls in the back as well as USB-C ports, which is good. Sunshades. I think the CX-90 looks really good. It does have an interesting looking like slope back look, but I think it looks really good. Skyactiv G CX-90 all-wheel drive badge on the back. Third row. Yeah, it's a good looking SUV, and then it looks unique. I like that little design element in the back. It's not a common design used, and these wheels look really nice on the S. I'm gonna try to get a video on the preferred package soon, which is a slower trim level than this. You also have a Bose sound system. I like the steering wheel a lot, and the steering feels very well weighted. Like, and the price point on this car is amazing. Like, these are in like the $30,000 to $40,000 range. That's so much car for the money. Like, for the way it looks, for the horsepower figures, this is an awesome SUV. I think it's a very good value. Like, it's so value packed. This has more performance numbers than a lot of luxury SUVs do for a fraction of the cost, and it looks better than a lot of 3-row SUVs do. Like, man, the steering feels great. It's so well weighted. I mean, what the heck? I really like this car. Engine has a nice sound. Turbocharged inline 6. It's pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty good. Like, for example, like an Acura MDX has 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque. This has almost 100 more torque than an MDX, and like 50 more horsepower. Same with Honda Pilot, all kinds of stuff like that. Toyota SUVs, everything. Like, this is a very nice, very competitive car. It's extremely competitive with the features it gives and everything for the price. Engine sounds great. and the shifting is very smooth. Responsive transmission. Yeah, the engine has a very nice hum to it. It sounds very nice. Typical of an inline six, they sound great. It's like a BMW inline six. Yeah, Mazda killed it with this car. As you can tell, I really like this car. There's nothing I like better than a good value. I love value-packed vehicles that offer a ton of features and design, performance, all of it for a very compelling price point. Like a used one, this is like a high $30,000 vehicle for all of this tech and drive and design and practicality. What more do you want? This is awesome. I did read that if you use regular fuel, the horsepower number drops by like 20. But if you use premium fuel, you'll get to 340 horses. Really nice steering. Wow. So nice. I think this vehicle is so nice to drive. It feels so like steering, look, it just feels so balanced. It feels so connected to the road. This is not even a performance SUV or anything. It's just so good. Yeah, I absolutely love this car. Can't get enough of that engine noise. It sounds so good. Yeah, this is probably one of the most competitive vehicles I've driven in the 2024 model year. Excellent job by Mazda. Excellent. I just can't believe you can get all this stuff, all these great things, below $40,000 on a 3-row SUV with a 2024 used model. So good. Even a new one is like, I think like price points like the low to mid 40s, which is crazy good. For the way this looks like a true luxury SUV. It feels like one too. It is awesome. It just, and everything just feels so good in here. Yeah, steering is one of my favorite things on this car. Let's scroll through the menus on here real quick and take a look if we can. I'm not sure if the gauge cluster is configurable at all, but yeah. But yeah, seats are comfortable. Everything's really nice in here. But overall, guys, awesome Mazda right here. Mazda, if you're watching, you did an amazing job. 10 on 10 effort from Mazda here. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Mazda CX-90.